This is a video by Richpin. Today we're replacing an accelerator cable on a Dodge Neon. This happens to be a 2002 model. First we're going to remove the top of the airbox. It's held on by 5 Phillips head screws. I've already got them loose. Then the cover will come off. And then you want to reach in and take out the air cleaner. Next we have to remove this plastic shield right here. There is a little clip right here. Just push down on it. Push this plastic piece towards the rear of the car. And then lift slightly up on this end and pull out towards the passenger side of the vehicle. There's a little plastic cover. Next we have to remove the cable right here from the metal bracket. Now if you take a small screwdriver and pry right underneath the bottom of this plastic piece on the cable, and once you pry up you can push back on the cable and that will release it from the bracket. Now to get a little bit more play to get the cable off the throttle body, what I did is remove the 4 bolts that hold the throttle body to the airbox right here. Now with those 4 bolts off the throttle body, I can move it back here, rotate it a little bit, and you can see that the cable goes down here on the arm, and it's a lot easier to remove it. There it is. The cable's off. Now next we have to take the end of the accelerator cable off where it connects to the pedal. Just take this little white piece right here and just pull back on it. It'll come right off the arm like so. Next we have to take off this little clip right here. There it is. Next we need to pry the piece that goes into the firewall, pry this grommet piece out. There it is. And now we can pull the cable out. There it is. It's all clear. Now we can take the new cable. Here's the rubber grommet that has to go into the firewall. Feed the cable. Okay, now the grommet is in the firewall. Now we can insert the throttle cable into the grommet. There it is, all in place. Now put the clip back on the end of the throttle cable. Now put the end of the cable back on the arm right here. Just like so. Next, unclip this little clip from the firewall here and take your new cable that has that piece on it, put it right in the hole. Now take the end of the accelerator cable and put it into the cam of the throttle body. There it is, it's in place. And then this plastic piece will go right into the bracket here and snap in place. Now replace the 4 bolts to the throttle body to the air box. Replace the air cleaner, the top of the box, and that's it. You're all done. You just replaced your accelerator cable on your Dodge Neon.